If you are having a hard time finding profitable online arbitrage products, I guarantee that it's probably like there's a 95% chance that it's because you are not using discounted gift cards to buy inventory. And this is a common thread that I've seen amongst a lot of beginners using tactical arbitrage or doing manual sourcing, all that stuff. They cannot find the products for cheap enough. And I guarantee that if you are having a hard time, it's because you are not looking for discounted gift cards hard enough. I guarantee. So what we are going to do in today's video is I'm going to explain to you what are discounted gift cards, how to use them, things to keep in mind when using them, and also where to find them. The first thing that I absolutely need to tell you is there are some legends online. Like, people say that using discounted gift cards will reduce the number of order cancellation that you will get. It's 100% not true. Okay. If a company wants to cancel your order, they will cancel your order, okay? Whether you are using discounted gift cards or not. Also, you need to understand that if you are using discounted gift cards, make sure that you have a payment method. Because one of the reasons why people say that is because, they think that they're going to be able to use multiple accounts with discounted gift card without needing to input a payment method on the website that they're actually going to purchase from. And they think that this is going to save them from order cancellation. The truth is that if you are using discounted gift cards, if you are creating a new account on the website, you need to have a payment method on file. Most websites will not let you place orders if you just have gift cards, if you do not have payment methods on file. All right. So just to bust this first myth that has been reported online a lot. All right. But before we actually get into gift cards and all that stuff, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos right here on YouTube every single day to help you with your Amazon FBA business. So if you're new, subscribe. I have some products that can help you also. You can check. There's a ton of links in the description. So let's get straight to the whiteboard so I can explain to you guys how discounted gift card works. So the way it works, if you place an order, is usually, let's say you want to order from Walmart. Okay, we're going to put a W. I don't have a mouse. I'm on my laptop. It's a little bit hard to drive. All right, to draw. I'm sorry. All right. So you want to place an order at Walmart. What you're going to do is you're going to take your $100 from your Amex Plum. Okay. $100 right there from your Amex Plum. This is your Amex. Here we go. And you are going to place the order. All right. You are going to order from Walmart with this card. All right, this is the dumbest way to do it. Of course, some websites will not have discounted gift card, but this is the regular way you actually place orders, right? But what you can do instead is, if you actually go on a website like cardbeer.com, all right, or gift card wiki, whatever, you can actually look for gift card place where there's actually discounted gift card for Walmart, and you see that you can get on Card Bazaar. I've never used Card Bazaar. I don't use Cardbear. Most of the time we actually check on gift card wiki, not really Cardbear, but you get the idea. So you can get a 10% gift card on Walmart on Card Bazaar. All right. So instead of paying $100 right there, what you're gonna do is you are going to, and I was trying to find. Here we go. We're going to put it on in red. Instead of paying $100, you are gonna buy a gift card. Okay, gift card, a $100 gift card, $100, but you are going to pay, since it's 10% off, you are going to pay, here we go, $90. Okay, $90. Yes, I know, my drawings are amazing. It's been a little while that we haven't drawn on this channel, but yeah. So you're gonna pay $90 for that $100 gift card, okay? And that gift card, instead of using your Amex directly to buy on Walmart, you are gonna buy that gift card, and then you're gonna use that gift card that you saved, that you paid $90 for a purchasing power of $100, and you are gonna use that gift card on Walmart. So you save 10% on your order, and this is how it works. Okay, this is how you're going to be able to, here we go, this is how you're going to be able to actually save money with discounted gift cards. Now, How to find discounted gift cards? Easy. You can use Cardbearer as I showed you. So there's also a website that I use that is called Gift Cards Wiki. Here we go. And so I cannot access it if I'm not on my VPN, because I'm currently overseas. This is why I was actually showing it to you with Cardbearer. I actually forgot, but this is the reason, right? But so website, so Grace.com is a great website to buy gift cards. It's changed recently, and I'm not going to be able to access it right now because I'm overseas. I need to be on my VPN. But yeah, mostly, so the issue with Card Cash and a lot of other websites is that it's pretty hard to actually place order on them without getting them to cancel. You need to get verified. So with Raise, it's actually super easy to get verified. You'll place a few orders, then they're going to ban you. Then you just need to call. They're going to verify your identity. Just tell. They are going to ask you if you are a reseller. All right. They are going to ask you if you are a reseller. Just tell them that yes, you are a reseller. There's no issue. They're just going to whitelist you. Okay, that's the only thing that you need to do. There's other websites that you can use. As I said, Cardbearer. I tried how is it called? Card Cash. Here we go. Card Cash. I used to try to place orders on them. I've never got an order to go through. Card Cookie is decent as well. Top Cashback has some gift cards. The great thing, and I'm keeping this tip for the end of this video. The great thing with Top Cashback is that you can use. First of all, you'll pay the full price. So if you buy $100 gift card on Top Cashback, you'll pay $100 for the gift card, and you receive the rest in Top cashback. Okay, that you can redeem on PayPal, or you can use other services and you will get an extra 5%, whatever. Okay, but the great thing is that when you use your credit card, if you have the Chase Ink Preferred, if you know the Chase Ink Preferred, and I've been talking about this for a long time with the Chase Ink Preferred on Top Cashback, you get 3% cash back on your gift card. So you get an extra 3%, and it's an easier way to actually manufacture your margins even more. I don't use that to manufacture my margins personally. And by the way, it's limited to the first 150,000 that you're going to spend every single year. But worst case scenario, you can get a second one. And like, I'm pretty sure that most of you guys are not spending $150,000 in gift cards or in shipping, because it's the two categories that is going to cover. So yeah, easy cheat code. Use the Chase Ink Preferred. You'll get 3x on the gift card from Top Cashback. All right. The great thing with gift card from Top Cashback is that for a lot of websites, you can select the exact amount that you want to spend, because you need to understand that, for example, most of the time, if you buy from Raise.com, if you buy from other companies, it's fixed amount. You cannot play with the amount. And the great thing with Top Cashback is that for a lot of websites, you actually can. So it gets a little bit hard to manage, because you're going to have a lot of gift cards with remaining balance. And if you do not order often enough on those websites, it's going to be canceled. The only advice that I can actually give you, that we're going to end the video on this, the advice that you absolutely need to follow is this. Do not buy huge gift cards before actually trying to place orders on websites. Try with small gift cards, try with small orders, because websites are still going to cancel your orders if you use gift cards, okay? I do have some gift cards that I cannot use right now on a few websites, because I'm trying to go a little bit wider, purchasing from more websites that I used to, and it's a little bit frustrating, but do not go too deep. I remember when I actually started, it was actually not easy for me, because I actually bought, I think it was like $3,000 of gift cards on Bye Bye Baby, and they kept declining my orders, they kept rejecting my orders, but I was able to make them go through. But like, imagine if I was not able to, I would have needed to get rid of those gift cards, which is not that big of a deal, because you can just sell your gift cards on Raise.com as well, just so you know. Or you can find somebody in the community, if you have shout out to Ernie, by the way, as well, because I had $400 in gift cards with Foot Locker that I was not able to spend because I was not able to place orders on Foot Locker. He bought the gift card because you have some lead on Foot Locker. So this is why it's also important to build a network in the community in case stuff like that happen. All right, but yeah, do not go too deep when you start, and you'll be all right. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff. I'll see you tomorrow.